Hey, Alpha fam, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission. Today on Alpha Commission, of course, we're going to go over that sideways action on the Bitcoin chart, that kind of dip and pop. Guys, we do see that the stocks are back in the green today, and this should be some type of a reaction rally to the dip yesterday. Of course, we do see the same thing on Bitcoin. Now, the thing is that I was actually planning to make this video when we were down here. Yesterday, I had put in a play around 27,300 in the group Discord. Link is in the description of this video below, where I did take a long here, which we did get a nice 1.5% on Bitcoin leverage. Of course, that could be a pretty crazy amount. Now, guys, we are up approximately 4.5%, and that's a pretty sizable move, to be honest. If I throw on the 4-hour chart for you guys, what I had wanted to put out in this video was that we had a good chance of launching off of the 4-hour volatility pivot at 27,426. Unfortunately, this candle just went like Giga Chad in the last 15 minutes and just blew my entire episode out of the water, as it just passed all of my key levels and just decimated the 4-hour alpha momentum pool, which is really great for bulls because, as you can see, we've surpassed the additive momentum level at 28,000 approximately 100, which is where we could get enough energy to even put bulls back in control of the 4-hour chart here at 28,870, which would be the next key level that we're looking for to the upside in order for this chart to continue pumping. Now, first thing I'd like to point out is that we have recovered more than 50% of this candle over here, which does suggest that it is negated, and more or less we can just consider this well, we can consider that, that was just some type of a deviation to the downside. And to be honest, maybe we really just have this kind of an accumulation wedge still going on here, and this is just basically market maker behavior. So again, as soon as we get above 28,870, that's personally for me a long signal, and you can see we've wicked above this accumulation triangle in the past, but it really hasn't always been reliable. So again, 28,870 is the play in my mind. And look at us, we're just continuing to push up back into this bullish configuration, which, guys, it reminds me a lot of this kind of configuration over here. Look at this crazy pop to the upside. We got a crazy pop to the downside. Got a wick down here. We got a wick down here. I mean, guys, this stuff happens, and maybe it's just going to leave Bitcoin bears in the dust once again. Guys, let's go ahead and jump over to the daily, where we can see even more bullishness because, frankly, the day never really gave up on us, and the daily bulls have pretty much been the savior of this chart because they have just maintained control above that 26,500-ish area, and we did start the day above the momentum pool, holding our momentum, and then we've even crossed back above the daily volatility pivot. So I definitely have a bias to the upside on the daily in our close in 9 hours. Should we close above 28,000, let's just say 200. But if you are doing a short trade, just keep in mind that 28,000, approximately 900, is the more reliable level. Good grief, this thing just continues to push up, and I am missing a substantial trade here just to put this video out. But guys, I think I'm going to cut it short there and take a look at what's going on. But that's your alpha for the day. Stay safe and happy trading.